Are you interested in arguing? Do you have a passion for South Africa and human rights? Do you want to make a difference in your school, in your community and in your country? If the answer is yes, then this is the competition for you. The National Schools Moot Court competition is specifically designed to create awareness of the importance of the Constitution and of fundamental human rights amongst the youth of South Africa. It emphasizes the fact that the Constitution does not only provide a citizen with rights, but it also provides that citizen with duties that he or she will have to adhere to. The competition aims to develop learners' writing and oral skills and possibly give them the opportunity to enter into the legal profession themselves. You will have to use your knowledge, skills and talent to help Nadia September and her mother fight her case in the Constitutional Court. In the fictional set of facts, Nadia September fell pregnant and gave birth to a healthy baby girl in April 2013 during the school holidays. After the school holidays, she was informed that she would not be allowed to return to school for the rest of the school year. As a team, you will also have to prepare the opposing side of the argument, ensuring that the school's governing body of Egoli High School is also represented. The first round of the competition will be a written round. As a team, you will be expected to write 2 essays explaining the case of each of the sides. The registration forms must be received by the organisers by the 15th of March 2013 and the essays must be received by the organisers by the 12th of April 2013. Moderate extensions will be given to schools who contact us in this regard. The essays will be evaluated and the 9 best teams in each province will compete in the provincial oral rounds in May and June 2013. The 4 best teams in each of the provinces will then compete in the national oral rounds, which will be from the 8th to the 11th of August 2013 at the University of Pretoria. The arguments will take place in a moot court. A moot court is the ideal way to show off your oral skills. Each moot court has 2 teams that argue against each other. Each team has 2 members. One team is called the applicant. This is the team representing Nadia September and her mother. The other team is called the respondent. This team will represent the school governing body of Egoli High School. You must therefore act as a lawyer representing your client in a challenging and exciting courtroom. Your team will have the opportunity to defend both parties' side of the argument in 2 different rounds. You will make your case in front of a panel of judges. These sharp legal minds will ask you questions while you argue and they will decide who wins. The winning team must have good legal arguments and must be able to answer the judges' questions clearly. The team that wins will be the team that has the best, most logical legal arguments. Your arguments must therefore be based on the law and you must use legislation and court cases to find these arguments. The information pack provided by the organisers will guide you on how to substantiate your arguments. The Constitution is the highest and most important source of law in South Africa. Use it to prepare your arguments and to fight for the rights of your client. The more research you do, the better your team will perform. You are welcome to approach anyone with a legal background, for example, lawyers in your community, advocates, magistrates, law lecturers at universities and law students, to assist you with the preparations for the competition. All you need is the guts to pretend to be a lawyer and the passion to fight your case. Doing a moot court teaches you to fight for your rights by using good, clear arguments. You will learn skills that you will use for the rest of your life. Who knows, maybe you will end up as a lawyer in the courtroom one day.
So, hi, I'm Nadia from Rubek College. The moot competition has been really exciting. I was very nervous. Standing before the judges was nerve-wracking. I think it's taught me just exactly what lawyers have to go through every day. I have a better appreciation for them and I think I would like to explore the profession more now.
Hello, I'm Mishka Carson from Rubek College in Utrecht. I have really enjoyed this moot competition and it has taught me so much, so many invaluable things that I would have never learned under just other circumstances. I've enjoyed coming to Pretoria. It's quite different, especially the traffic compared to the Eastern Cape, but that's been a nice experience, and especially the Constitutional Court and the Project Museum, also really wonderful and amazing things to be able to go and visit.
I'm Lauren Dixon. I'm from St. George's College in PE, the Eastern Cape. So far it's been an amazing experience. We've got to meet a whole lot of people from all over the country that without it we would not have the opportunity to meet them. We've had the opportunity to learn about law, which I was interested in previously before, but in PE there's no actual way where you can find out about it more and get a real feeling of what you do and how you work on it, and we've got that from here. It's been an absolute honour to go to the Constitutional Court. We had a wonderful tour there by retired Judge Albie Sachs, and we went to the Apartheid Museum, which was for me the highlight because it's something that I really wanted to see and I'm very interested in, and it was a really great experience. And so far we've just done our first argument. The judges are all very friendly, they're very helpful, they're fair, and it's just been great fun because I'm here with my best friend.
Hi, I'm Vuyakazi Sagari from St. George's College in Port Elizabeth, and I'm here at the National Schools Moot in Pretoria, and I'm absolutely excited. It's been a wonderful experience. I've got to do so many things that I never in my life imagined I would do. I never thought I'd have the honour of walking into the Constitutional Court and seeing it, and just to be around so many wonderful lawyers who are experienced and retired judges. I've learned a lot from the Moot. I've learned a lot in terms of law. It's not like Boston Legal and all those TV programs. It's actually completely different, and you get a real feel for what it really is, and it's great so that when you want to do it maybe later on in your career, you have a not a televised view of it.
I'm Mashala, and I'm from Stanford Lake College in Limpopo. The Moot Court competition has been rather special. Learned a lot of new things about the Constitution and basically about law. I think it's a good opportunity for young, up-and-coming South Africans to expose themselves to a difficult competition that would lead to them being better people. So the competition was a positive thing.
The competition will also include activities such as a tour of the Constitutional Court, which was given by Justice Albie Sachs in 2011, and an information session with Justice Edwin Cameron at the Constitutional Court given in 2012.
And many tens and probably hundreds of thousands of black people passed through the prison here. Many of them for past offences, many of them for more serious offences.
The final round of the 2012 competition was held in the Constitutional Court in front of 2 serving justices and other prominent human rights experts. To get your legal career started, the prize of the overall winning team of the competition is financial support towards your first year of legal studies at the university of your choice in South Africa, where you are admitted.